Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to convert PDF file to doc format? Nitro Pro has built-in feature to convert PDF files to doc, Microsoft Word, format. However, you can still achieve this conversion by using alternative methods or other software. Step 1. Launch Nitro Pro on your computer. Step 2. Click on the Open button or go to File and select Open to browse and select the PDF file you want to convert. Step 3. Once the PDF file is open, go to the Home menu and choose the Doc option from the Format options, or you can press Ctrl-Shift-W key from your keyboard. Most important is that you can add multiple PDF file by clicking this Add Files button. Now, I have ticked Open Files after conversion checkbox. After that, click Convert button to initiate the conversion process. That's it. You have successfully converted PDF file to Microsoft Word format with 100% accuracy. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have achieved some valuable information. Please subscribe our channel for more tutorials.